Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a tutorial on how I got this purple halo eye. So if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. I'm starting out with fresh, clean skin today. First, I want to apply the NYX Away We Glow Strobing Cream. And this is in the shade Bright Star. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Benefit Hello Happy foundation, and this is in the shade 2. I'm going to conceal using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. For bronzer, I'm going to use this one from Ulta Beauty. It's the matte bronzer. This one doesn't have a name on it or anything. I got it in one of the advent calendars. And I'm going to apply it with my e.l.f. Flawless face brush. For my eyes, I want to do something purple today, so I'm going to use the Morphe 39S palette. What I'm going to do for this tutorial, just to make time go by faster, is do one eye on camera and the other one off camera. And so I don't know any of the shade names in this palette. I threw out the sheet that had all the names on it, so I'll try to link them below. But first, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's like a light pink, kind of lilac-y color. I'm going to take that on a Morphe B79 brush and run that through my crease. Next, I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to take it on a BH Studio Pro number 5 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease too. Next, I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to run this through my crease too. And now I'm going to take this purple shade right here. I'm going to take this on a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to put it on the outer and inner corners of my eye and blending it into the crease a little bit. So I want to do a cut crease halo eye for this look. So next I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M421 brush. And I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it in the center of my eye, and I'm going to do like a line going up to my crease, I think. I'm going to go back in with this shade on the same brush I'd been using it on, and I'm going to blend where the eyeshadow meets the concealer. I think I want to do a pop of pink on my eyelids, so I'm going to take this pink shade right here, and I'm going to take it on a BH Studio Pro No. 9 brush. So I'm just going to finish up my other eye off camera, and then I will be back to do the rest of my face. For blush, I'm going to use my Morphe Blush Trio and Pop of Blush. And I'm going to take the middle shade right here called Fearless. And for highlighter, I'm going to use my BECCA Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. I just did my eyebrows and mascara off camera. Everything will be listed over on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me over there. It'll be linked in the down bar below. Next, for false eyelashes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Hoodie No. 23 lashes. To finish off my eyes, first I'm going to go back in with this dark purple shade, and I'm going to take it on a BH Studio Pro No. 7 brush and run it along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this purple shade, and I'm going to take it on BH Studio Pro No. 8 brush and blend that first shade out. And next I'm going to take this purple shade again, and I'm going to take it on the Morphe M573 brush and blend out those two colors. And for my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to take this white shade right here, and I'm going to put it there with the e.l.f. eye crease brush. Next, I'm going to put some eyeliner in my bottom waterline. I'm going to use the NYX Metallic Eyeliner in the shade Rosegold. And now I'm going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. For my lips, I'm going to start off by lining them. I'm going to use the Essence Soft Contour Lip Liner in the shade Lost in Love. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Intimatte Nude Lipstick in 535 Purely Nude. And over top of that, I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Fairy Floss. So that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. If there's anything else that you would like to see from me, leave a comment down below. And I will see you all next time.